Brickken is hitting a major milestone, having successfully closed a $2.5 million seed round with support from investors across America, Europe and Asia. And this marks the start of an exciting new chapter as the team prepares to expand into North America and Asia while doubling down on their strong presence in Europe. The next steps are all about innovation. Brickken is rolling out enterprise-grade solutions, including advanced user management features, AI-powered agents, API integrations and customizable white label options. These developments are designed to position Brickken as a leader in tokenized real-world assets. Strategic partnerships with key financial and institutional players will further solidify its standing. This milestone is a testament to the market's belief in Bricken's vision as one of the standout projects in the real-world asset space. So stay tuned for the official announcement. It's just the beginning for Brickken. It looks like they're going to be the leaders in real-world asset tokenization. So check them out for yourselves. Of course, this is my research, do your own, and for more things crypto, give me a follow.